astronomer, Star Astronomy here. Welcome back to another video, guys. Today is March 29, 2020. It's just, I think after 6 o'clock p.m., guys. Sorry if you guys can't hear me right now. I'm actually right next to a highway right now, guys, just letting you know. So, and guys, this is the QEW right here. Look how dead this is right here, guys. See that? This COVID-19 is making everything dead, so see? And it plus a Sunday too, guys, so yeah. So I'm reaching an event, guys, going for a bike ride. I got to like 20 degrees today, guys, here in Hamilton, Ontario. I'm just continuing the bike towards the beach, guys. So guys, this one right here is that is Toronto bound, and back behind me is the Niagara bound. So you guys can tell it's not that busy. It's never dead, guys. So for these off, guys, I just want to explain to you guys about the live streaming on TikTok and Instagram. Well, I found out that you need at least 1,000 followers on TikTok to go live, and I need 100 yet, so I won't be able to go live on TikTok. So I'm gonna be going live on Instagram for the 4 hours. That's a new plan I'm gonna do, guys. So sorry for you TikTok fans, but I want you guys to follow me on TikTok, Irish Astronomy. It get me to 1,000 followers so I go live on there. So, and I got a little time to my schedule, change my schedule too. Instead of live stream from 8 p.m. to 12 a.m., I'm gonna do it from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m., guys. So, which will look a little better for me, guys. So, it's later in the day, you know. But yeah. But that is if my workplace continues to stay closed longer than March 31st, guys, so I should know by Tuesday night, guys. I'll give you an update then, so yeah. I'm excited to all the cases here right now. It's crazy. I can Toronto, like, great. On Tuesday regarding what's going on. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Do not forget to fly away.